In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a pocket option promo code. We'll guide you through a simple process so you can take advantage of exciting promotional offers. First, you'll need to head over to the Pocket Option platform, renowned for being one of the most innovative trading platforms available. Simply fire up your web browser and navigate to their official site. Once you're on the Pocket Option homepage, the next step is to locate the market section. You'll typically find this option somewhere on the user interface. It might be listed in the navigation menu or perhaps as a dedicated button or link you'll need to click. This market section is the key to accessing exclusive offers and deals, so go ahead and click to enter. Now that you're in the market section, there is one specific area you need to focus on to find promo codes. This area is actually the promo codes section. This option is usually straightforward to find once you're in the market section, as it might be prominently displayed or included among other marketing tools and options. Click on promo codes to proceed. Having reached this point, you're almost there. Here, understanding how promo codes work is crucial. In Pocket Option system, promo codes can be obtained by purchasing them in the market section. You can make these purchases using either crystals, which you might gather through various platform activities, or your balance funds depending on the offers available.